Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows black desktop background issue on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, to fix this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Control Panel. From the best matches, just open up Control Panel. Then make sure View By is set to large icons. Just search for Ease of Access Center and open it. And after that, just scroll down a bit and you'll find Make the Computer Easier to See. Just click on that. Then just scroll down a bit and you'll find something called Remove Background Images where available. Just make sure this is unchecked. And after that, just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just close this and your problem should be fixed. But if it's still there, what you have to do is just go ahead and right-click on your desktop. Then just go to Personalize. And from here, you can pick any of the desktop background and just select it. And the desktop background will be changed. As you can see, it has been fixed for me. But for you, if it's not fixed, what you have to do is just right-click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager, expand the section, click on the hamburger menu, and then just go to Processes and search for Explorer. And when you find Explorer, just right-click on it and click on Restart. This is going to restart Windows Explorer for you. And after that, the problem should be fixed. But if it's still there, what you have to do is just right-click on your Start, then just go to Device Manager, expand this section and go to Display Adapters, right-click on it, click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and it's going to upgrade you to the latest driver. Then just close all this and go ahead and restart your PC. And basically that is how to fix Windows desktop black background issue on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.